Hey guys, it's Steph here again today, and I know it's been like a really super long time since I've done a video. I actually did a Birchbox unboxing last month, but I never, I never put it up because I lost internet for a while, and it just felt like it was just stupid. I didn't need to upload it, so I actually have a Lush haul that I will put up, and then I have a Beauty Box 5 that I'm going to go over right now. And so I hope you guys are doing okay. So let's see here. Using my key to open it. There we go. Yep. Okay, so Beauty Box 5. Let's see, it says, it's time for a beauty boost. We know it's hard to concentrate when you can't stop daydreaming about the beach or that cute A-line dress on sale. So this month we want to help you get back in the zone with a few pretty pick-me-ups. Need an afternoon facial? Craving a cupcake? Take a break and treat yourself. You deserve it. And I got these. They are called Ban Total Refresh Cooling Body Cloths. There's 10 cloths in each one. Break out these cloth wipes after the gym, during a long day at work, or before a hot day to ensure you smell fresh and feel smooth. There is 10 wipes in each one. The full one is 10. These ones are only like one cloth. I should probably tell you guys that. This is just three. This would be 3 cloths. There's 1 cloth in each one. But when you buy the big packs, there's 10 cloths for $2.97. This is Harvey Prince Hello. This is a sample for that. It says Meyer lemon, mandarin, and grapefruit smelling. And the full bottle is a 5.7 ounce, and it actually retails for $55. The next thing I got is this H2O Plush Marine Cleansing Gel. It's just it's a little tiny sample. And I got Cativa Precision Eyeliner. The retail price is $20. And then I got this last one is a hydrating facial sheet mask. One mask. It's a full product. It's $5.99. And that's what I got in my beauty box. Maybe I can put everything back in. And there you go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm hoping to do one of these like every month, because I'm getting the beauty box and the Birchbox, hopefully. Oh, excuse me. But I am preparing for a trip to Phoenix, June 4th through the 7th. I was going to stay with my friend Jill, but plans have changed. I'm still going to Phoenix, but I'm not staying with her. But yeah, so that's what's going on with me. Well, I hope I see you guys later, and I am out. Bye-bye.